Bia Kamal and wala bana ngich ka Thok Nath kana Thok English katin bana kwen gwas makinten bukona ngach katichal ke preposition kan example ken kan bana write in a preposition ni katin kona lalat ka kamne ngwane titi ko le la dobre ni to goje no dong de jilwak kede yelwak yenetin kona dong kan ke listen mane man yam an bana ngach micha wona the student is in the class. The student is in the class. Gadwil Gora Jare class. Gadwil Gora Jare class. Mishaw the student is in the class. Lot nodi. Gadwil Gora Jare class. Mishamuke as God machale chaname chamuke as God student and a challenge students. There la Gadwil Gora. Do not go kujimako kel balarde. The student is in the class. Mlunodi Gadwil Gora Jare class. He went out. He went out. Mlot kame he went out. Wajen chawune. Chakaj rar. Chakaj rar ki chawarar. He went out. When chere ke past tense of go ki michi way. Dong de dan you rar go out. Baname he went out. Michi chejien cha pass no. He went out lunodi. Chakaj rar. He is inside the office. He is inside the office. Mulot ka gwaz mulot nodi. Jen tere muktapa. He is inside the house. He is inside the office. He is inside the office. Lot nodi. Jen tere muktapa kere maktapa. Michawi is inside the room. O jare duel. Amma gore bi akap gwada mem e raja ke wut ke ke tu mishi e shenan chara ke kwinyal ke chara ke kwiche raja ke kwi wuda. He is inside the office. Gente rei muktapa. He is outside the office. He is outside the office. Jen terar muktapa. Outside ludna rar shit ke menti inside ludani rei dwara. In ludanu rei dwara bonne. Michaw outside chimini konti he went out lono origin cha khairar michalo chalaro nene is inside the office jentere muktaba michalaro is outside the office jenterar muktaba no manadian gwaseme above 30 degree centigrades. Above 30 degree centigrades. Above mitnial te niam ka centigrade ni ti jandang diok. Nyam ka centigrade ni ti jandang diok mulor nodi above 30 degrees centigrade. Nyam ka centigrade ni ti jandang diok. Centigrade ni ke la degree centigrade kan ka tem ni jam ki tem te ten la tam ka ni al ke jom. Gwas mete kon ko blue degree centigrade. Blue 30 degree centigrade. Gwas mete kon ka bab metenial baname chale la blue amete pin. Taping centigrade ti jandang diok. Taping centigrade ti jandang diok. Blue amete pin above ametenial we kabanono. Atukon the book is under the table. The book is under the table. Gwatum not know book taping sarbeta. Book taping sarbeta under amete pin. Melat kata sarbeta ke sa dor ka bacholedi under. The book is under the table nodi. Book te pin tarbeda ke te tar tarbeda and on shale under. Tukon kengido dian gwas mbukon nyok. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Michaw the book is on the table. Nodi book te wi tarbeda. Book te wi tarbeda. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. On lonametenial shirkamen under taping. On tenial kamichal kame under taping. Michaw the book is on the table. Book te wi tarbeda. Michalar no the book is under the table. Nodi book te pin tarbeda no. Behind the church. Behind the church. Michale behind kelu a geka dwara ki jog dwara. Chalde jo duel kot. Jog duel kot behind the church. Sometimes don't learn back of the church. No. Behind the church. Behind the church, you know, te jok dwell kot ke ge ka dwell kot but mi chao ge da la near so ku ba chole de behind the church amete jaw dwara jaw dwell kot behind the church mi chala ro ne in front of the church lor no de niam luakot niam luakot niam luakot in front of the church jok dwell kot behind the church jok dwell kot chale behind the church niam luakot lor no de in front of the church opposite to bang lor no de niam dwell taw yone niam dwell taw yone opposite mi charo da kana duo da to kuchar de na da to kuje do dien mi cha kul opposite to bang we mean niam dwell taw yone la mi chup ka bang ko le lam niam de te na mo te ten chalde opposite to bang niam dwell taw yone. He is next to me cha raja ni no he raja kuka raja ki kuda ke raja ka ku tot mila tut me shi de cholong raja ki ku che ke ku nya so ku je mo me cha we he is next to me jen gure niha is next to me jen gure ne we mean that ramote nyam tra den te kore me cha we next kira karama do dien he is next to me jen gure niha katu gor ko rodien me ben yam ben ma ben bate ko rodien bulo ben kor chale next don't do jo next mana dien ana mebe amadien mo be chale next jen gure niha ka do bran chala de gwasme he is next to me and nga and udamo and dolamo jen gure niha jen lot he is next to me. A map of Ethiopia tura which Ethiopia mi cha we map lo nu ture wen mon ki ture which ya ko laro a map of Ethiopia lo no de ture which Ethiopia ta dan en tuwe de take jem ture Ethiopia de laro de a map of South Sudan ture which South Sudan a map of Uganda ture which Uganda so kujemo a map of Ethiopia lo no de ture which Ethiopia. Tukon kamuda dian gwasem he came from India jen beke India he came from India jen beke India de larno jen beke India he came from India. He went to office chan rajan in ke wen lodo ne mishiwe jen che waka muktab jalot ko gwasem he went to office jen che waka muktab he went to office. He is around bus station jen ja gwat kut torbieli he is around bus station jen ja gwat kut torbieli he is around bus station to kon mu dian gwat ban nyom gu kon I am with my friend takel kona mesda I am with my friend ajen ngi jana mo gorno bi nyo ane de kokien en ban nyo jikin de dien chuje poro jeno jin bi channel bi support bi subscribe ka bi follow ban mi guji ka Facebook bi ataka mal ban jikin de dien bye bye.